Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with the tag of the month for June for piles of paragraphs. Excited to make that. I'm getting very excited to get my hands into it. So so we're gonna do that. I wanted to show you. Lori sent a little thank you card, which is absolutely darling. This is she's calling it Fun and Games, and look, it's got little game pieces and stuff in it. She put some bunnies in there for me. Oh, it's so cute, Lori. Hello, sunshine. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Look at the bunnies. Oh, that's so nice, Lori. I love it. I think it's adorable. And thank you, Gail, on there. Oh, you're quite welcome. I have so much fun making these tags of the month. And I know a lot of you have jumped in and go on over to piles of paragraphs. And here, let me show this. And get yours each month too. So okay, well, let's play. I have no preconceived idea whatsoever. We're pinks and green. And look at this. This is one of my trims from the Small World #1 digital kit. So that's fun. Okay, well, here's my card base. That's a place to start, right? Okay. I think I have a direction. Oh, this is okay. I need a glue book and I need some glue. Because I think what I might do is just kind of make a base of more or less a patchwork base. I think that's what I'm going to do. We're just gonna see how we do. I'm just gonna start laying stuff down. I'm gonna lay that down the middle for no particular reason other than I grabbed it. Okay, this one. I think I shall put kind of on the edge. And I think I'm going to purposefully not have them, so that I want it straight, but other than that, I'm going to have it off the edge a little bit. There, I think that's straighter anyway. Okay, let's see. I zeroed in a little bit so you guys could see a little bit better. I don't know. Oh, there's a pink strippy down there too. Maybe I'll just put this on this side. I don't know. I'm just laying things down. I'm just making a little background is what I'm doing. So I hope this finds you all well. I was so excited to see this in my mailbox yesterday. I was kind of wondering, I was thinking, oh, we're getting towards the end of May. I wonder if Lori's going to send me a tag of the month. This tag of the month is in her shop already. I have seen that. So okay, I think I need a new page. I think I'll leave that straight. I need to do some more collage just because I want to. It's not really a need to. It's more like a want to. Okay, I think I'm going to put that right there. Like, I want that over there? Maybe I do. Okay, let's make these go up and down. Okay, this one is not on there very straight, but I have an idea to straighten it out. Okay. Oh, here's a fun little square. I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. I'm just kind of putting things down. And I don't know. Where are my scissors? Oh, over on the other table. Okay. Well, that's not helpful. Okay, I'm just gonna cut off the excess just to see kind of where we're at here. All right. I actually think I might go that way with it rather than that way. Yeah, I'm going for it. I'm just being very bold today, very bold. I guess this is kind of an extra video for you today too, but I wanted to let you know right away that this kit was available at Lori's shop. Okay, I'm gonna just keep a couple of these. Maybe that one too, just in case. All right, so, okay, so far, so good. I do think, I want to ink it just to see where we're at. Okay. I think I'm gonna bring down the white a little, you know me, and like me a little grungier look. You know what I think I'm gonna do? Okay, maybe in keeping with Mixed Media May, hold the phone for a second. I am gonna grab my modeling paste. Okay, and I am going to grab a stencil just because gosh, I was having a moment. I'm staring right at my stencils and like, where are they? Oh, scary place to be in my brain. Yeah, I don't know. I think I just want to, I'm just playing some more. Okay, so I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to try and do a fairly thin coat so it dries fairly quickly. I don't have my dryer at the ready here, of course, because I just had this idea. Okay, and then I'm going to do a bit down here. Trying not to get my palette knife all the way in there because, of course, the Distress ink is coming off a bit. Okay, let's just call that good. Right. Let's see how that looks. Ooh, I like it. Okay. I'm just going to rub this off onto a piece of paper. I'm sorry I quit talking there. I thought I heard voices. Maybe my husband came home. He must have. I hope. I hope it's him. I have a little of that going on lately. It was so funny the other day. My daughter and grandkids came in the door and Jimmy went crazy, and I should probably, when I'm home alone, I should probably lock the front door, huh? There's an idea. Okay. So I really like that, and I like how it's got the brown in it from the, oops. I just blew my paper off the table. Oh, Gail. Okay. Okay, that needs to dry a little bit. Ooh, I kind of like that in the corner. I kind of wanted to use my little trim too. So maybe I'll do that while that's getting a little dry. It doesn't have to be entirely dry, I don't suppose, for me to put things down. They'll just stick all the better, I guess, right? It's so fun for Lori to be able to see what everybody does with her kids, and I love it because as many of us as there are, they all come out differently. Oh, I need to cut that off a little bit. I might put that down the one side, or yeah. Should have put that on before I did all the other stuff, but that's okay. Just add it. What the heck? Just add it right there. Okay. All right, so this little thing, I can cut it, and then we'll be ready. I don't think I'm going to use the fabric that comes with it, just because I've grungied up so much and the fabric is kind of bright. So I kind of just had an idea as I was doing that. I wonder if we kind of scrunch that up a little. We'll also give it a little more texture. Right there. Yeah, I kind of like that. Okay, what do I want? I want art glitter glue. Okay. And as usual, got the goobers, the glue goobers. I think what I need to do is take off my silver tip and give it a good scrub it under hot water. That always helps. Okay, let's see how we do here. Just scrunched it a little bit. That did give it a little more texture there. Got some little green blingies here that I was thinking I might put somewhere. Yeah, I kind of like it there. Okay, let's see. So this is kind of what I actually think I'm going to use this for the topper, but I think I'm going to grunge it up a little bit. Okay, now I'm kind of feeling, ooh, that's almost dry already. I'm kind of feeling I want more of a distinctive outline around it. Yeah, I just needed a little more on the edges. Okay, now I'm kind of thinking might like to, yeah, just grungy that up a little bit more. Jeez. And I think I'll just staple my topper on. Perfect. I don't know, guys. I think just like that, we've got ourselves a tag. And I have bits left over. Okay, so there is my take on the June tag. I gotta say, looking at it in the camera, it's cuter in real life, I think. But yeah, so there you go. There's the June Piles of Paragraphs tag in less than 20 minutes. How about that? So go on over to Lori's Etsy shop. I'll have the link in the description box and get yourself the June kit to play with. So thanks everybody so much for watching. We'll just see you in the next video. Bye.